Are you searching for an affordable ride that doesn't skimp on quality? What if I told you that 2024 has brought some of the most budget-friendly and feature-packed SUVs to the market? Stay tuned till the end of this video, where I'll reveal an exclusive tip on how to get the best deals on these 2024 SUV models. Welcome, SUV enthusiasts and savvy car shoppers. Today we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many looking for a new ride in 2024. Affordability without compromise. The SUV market has expanded remarkably, and with so many options, finding the right blend of price, features, and quality can be daunting. That's where we come in. We're spotlighting the top 5 cheapest SUVs launched in 2024. The Buick Envista, Chevrolet Trailblazer, Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, Volkswagen Taos, and Honda HR-V. Each of these models promises to bring value, efficiency, and reliability without breaking the bank. So if you're planning to make a smart, budget-friendly choice this year, you're in the right place. Let's get started with our comprehensive rundown. 2024 Buick Envista. Kicking off our list is the 2024 Buick Envista, a model that redefines what it means to be an affordable luxury SUV. Under the hood, the Envista boasts an impressive engine setup, a 1.3-liter turbocharged engine that perfectly balances power and fuel efficiency. It's not just about what's under the hood. The Envista's exterior is a blend of elegance and modern design, featuring sleek lines and an imposing grille that makes a statement on the road. Step inside and you'll find an interior that exudes comfort and style. The cabin is spacious and decked with high-quality materials and advanced tech features, providing both driver and passengers with an enjoyable ride experience. Price-wise, the 2024 Buick Envista is a game-changer. Starting at an estimated $23,295, it offers luxury and performance at a cost that won't stretch your budget. 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Next up is the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer, a compact SUV that's big on features and small on price. The Trailblazer is powered by an efficient engine, which you can choose based on your preference, a 1.2-liter turbo or a slightly more powerful 1.3-liter turbo. Both options deliver a satisfying blend of efficiency and performance. The exterior design is bold and robust, with a stance that commands attention and details that add a touch of sophistication. The interior doesn't disappoint either. It's designed with comfort and practicality in mind, offering ample space, user-friendly technology, and quality finishes. As for the price, the Trailblazer remains a top contender in the affordable SUV category, starting at around $23,100, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for reliability and style. 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Moving on to the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, a vehicle that blends practicality with a touch of adventure. Under its hood lies a robust 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a dependable and efficient driving experience. For those seeking a bit more zest, there's also an available 2.4-liter engine offering increased horsepower. The exterior of the Outlander Sport is designed to turn heads, featuring bold lines, a dynamic front grille, and stylish wheels that complement its Adventuro spirit. Inside, the Outlander Sport presents a cabin designed for comfort and convenience. The interior boasts ample room, modern infotainment features, and quality materials, ensuring a pleasant journey. Whether it's on city streets or country roads, priced competitively, starting at approximately $23,095, the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport represents a blend of affordability and versatility that's hard to beat in today's market. 2024 Volkswagen Taos. Let's delve into the 2024 Volkswagen Taos, a compact SUV with a lot to offer. Powering the Taos is a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, engineered for efficiency and a lively driving experience. This engine not only delivers on performance, but also maintains impressive fuel economy, making the Taos a smart choice for the eco-conscious driver. The exterior design of the Taos is quintessentially Volkswagen. Clean, modern, and elegant, with a stance that's both commanding and approachable. Step into the Taos, and you're greeted with a cabin that balances functionality with sophistication. The interior is spacious, featuring high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and thoughtful design elements that enhance the overall driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the Taos continues Volkswagen's tradition of offering great value. With a starting price of around $25,420, it stands as a compelling option for those seeking quality and affordability in their next SUV. 2024 Honda HR-V. Last but certainly not least, let's explore the 2024 Honda HR-V. This model is a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering quality and value in a compact package. The HR-V is equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, optimized for a smooth, efficient, and reliable driving experience. It strikes a perfect balance between fuel efficiency and responsive power, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and highway adventures. The exterior of the HR-V is a harmonious blend of sportiness and elegance. Its sleek lines, coupled with a dynamic front fascia, give it a contemporary look that stands out in its class. Inside, the HR-V doesn't disappoint. The interior is surprisingly spacious for a compact SUV, offering a comfortable and versatile cabin with advanced technology and high-quality materials. The HR-V's pricing is yet another highlight, starting at an attractive $24,600. It's an affordable option for those who don't want to compromise on style, comfort, or performance. As we wrap up our journey through the top 5 cheapest SUVs of 2024, let's take a moment to compare these remarkable vehicles. When it comes to price, all 5 models offer exceptional value, but each has its unique selling points. In terms of fuel efficiency, models like the Volkswagen Taos and the Chevrolet Trailblazer stand out, while safety features are robust across the board, with each manufacturer incorporating the latest in safety technology. Choosing the right SUV for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences, whether it's the luxury feel of the Buick Envista, the bold style of the Chevrolet Trailblazer, the practicality of the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, the sophistication of the Volkswagen Taos, or the balanced approach of the Honda HR-V. Remember, a test drive is always the best way to determine which SUV feels right for you. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive look at the most affordable SUVs of 2024. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more insightful car reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to drop a comment below sharing which SUV caught your eye, or if there are any other models you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy and safe driving.